the cooking show.
And you'll get one more handful, Jana.
Oh, okay,
Here's
guys. Chocolate they have gotten.
And then
3 types. Just put in the stew.
Are you guys going to put this in Facebook? Yes. Do you have a Facebook? Whoa. What is it, Facebook? I don't know who it is. I know, me either. It's our computer. It's a Facebook. It's on the computer. And Grandma goes on it. Okay, and Jana's going to go get some more chocolate. I already got some. And now we're just going to grab this. Texture. There you go, we're done. And then we need a touch more crackers in there. And then they look perfect, but a touchy of water. Yeah. Good. We didn't know what that. And then some crackers. A little bit more texture, so we got a new one. Come here. We got 2 SpongeBob, 2 girls. But the only thing is, we need some rice. He needs some wings. Oh my gosh, look at him! Look at him!
Water.
Look at him! He likes wet soil. Look at him! Look at him! Look at him! Look at him! Look at his little foggy eyes. I don't want him! Look at his little foggy eyes. Oh my god, look how cute that is. Oh, look how cute that is. Can I see? Is that cute? Okay, who wants to taste it? No!
And now, they will taste the food. I'll taste it.
Okay. Perfect. Hey, I will. You will? Madison will be gone for a minute. She is showing her mom the fork. Thank you. Okay, now they're out to dry. You guys need that. Okay. What is this, sweet tea?
The cooking show will be back in a minute.
Yes.
Until then, please enjoy this break.